Hello, I wanted to give you an introduction and just a closer look at these wonderful disposable face cloths. These are absolutely amazing. There are so many different ways that you could use this. This could go well beyond just using this on your face. It has some really great qualities that I want to show you here up close. I absolutely love the fact that these are made out of 100% biodegradable bamboo rayon. Not only are they just super soft to the touch, but they are also 100% bio-based, cruelty-free, vegan. What you'll notice is that there are two sides to this sheet, and one side is super soft and the other side has a bit of a texture to it, which is just wonderful because if you're going to be using these like I do, which I use these to wash my face, it is just great to have that texture side to get all of your makeup off. I love using these in the bathroom to wash my face because they are not going to have any of those funky smells or the bacteria that may build up on a washcloth or a hand towel. Now, the size of these cloths is absolutely amazing. They are super large here. On the long side here, they're almost 12 inches. They're 11.81 inches. On the shorter side, they're almost 10 inches. They're 9.84 inches. So super large in size. I just think there are so many different ways that you could use this. I love having these out in my guest bathroom for guests to use. You could use them in the bathroom, in the kitchen, use them for washing pets, help cleaning up kids. I'm super impressed with the quality of these. The feel of them is amazing. The fact that they're biodegradable is just an added perk as well. I think if you give these a try, you're going to be just as impressed.